So, muna itong preparation setup. We're going to identify it first, all the materials needed on the bed making. Which is bed making, this will be a system traditional or traditional system. So, we have here our materials or linens, no? Linens intended for bed making. So, we need to identify it first, all the materials. So, we have here, this will be the bed pad. Okay. Bed pad identification. Na siya design. So, ma-identify nyo ang bed pad. Pag mayroon siyang self on the bottom side, mo ni ang protector. Okay? Bed pad protect the mattress from stain. Pag may untag protector, mo ni siya ang mag-protect sa mattress para dili magdiretso ang stain. Okay? So, na-ay bed pad nga walay design. Bed pad only. Naa sa top ng mattress lang. Pero kani nga bed pad na siya design. Okay. Garterized ang design. Pero look at the side. Okay. Malaman ninyo ang single size through this one. Okay. Look at. Half sa imuhang sideward. Okay. So, malaman mo lang siya na single, ang iyang size, 1 meter only. Okay. So, money ang magkasya on top of the mattress. Again, bed pad to protect the mattress from the stain. Okay. Next will be the woolen blanket. This will be the woolen blanket, any color, any textures, basta malambot both sides, soft both side. Okay? Ang ilhanan ninyo or identification for the woolen blanket is stretchable. Malaman ninyo nga woolen blanket is stretchable. Flat each corner. Okay? Mainat ha? So, woolen blanket to add comfort the guest and protect body thermostat of the guest. Okay, next, 3 flat sheets. Flat sheets, this we call flat. Why? Dili garterize ang corner. Try to lock the corner. Walay garter. That's why we call flat. Kasi flat lang gid siya. Dili pod siya mainat. Okay? 3 flat sheets. One of these flat, gawin mong wrong side up. Either sa isa. Dapat, pag lay down mo, dunay isa ka wrong side up. Unsa ang timaylan, bakit maging wrong side up? Okay. Ang tahi. So, may tupi. This we call wrong side up. And yung walang tupi, right side up. Wrong side up ang may folded, right side up ang walay fold. Okay. So, pag lay down nyo sa linen, sa bed, or sa mattress, nakahayang ihang may tahi. Facing up. Okay? Ihayang. Then the rest, right side up na. So, sa isa sa tulo, doon na dyan kay baliktaron. Daan. Okay. Kung saan ang pag-fold niya? Okay. Next, pillow and pillowcase. Next, bed cover or comforter. Bed cover or comforter identification to familiarize. Malambot, dili mainat, then makapal. Okay. Any color, any textures. Basta dili mo inat, malambot, makapal. This we call comforter or bed cover. Okay. Now, this will be all the materials needed on the traditional. So, karon, we're going to arrange this one FIFO or first in, first out. First, we're going to put pillow and case on the chair. Next, comforter. Okay. Reminders. The flat sheets wrong side up. Nganong kailangan tambutang ani sa to ang mattress to cover all the dirt linens and collect using a square method. So, mo ni ato ang ginagamit panglagyan ng mga dirty or hugaw nga linens. Pag-collect na to ani using a square method. Pa-X nga system. Okay. So, next. Flat sheets right ha. Next. Ay, kanang gisi kay ni. Okay. Flat sheets right side up. Duha ka buok. Nga naka right side up. To add comfort the guest. Yung isa. To cover the mattress and the bed pad. Okay. So, woolen blanket. Next. Wrong side up. Next. Flat sheets right side up. Next, bed pad. Okay, para asa ang bed pad? To protect the matrix from stain. Okay. So, this we call preparation setup. First in, first out. Okay. So, ready na itong mga materials. Next, see to it that the mattress well conditioned. Okay. Check to it the mattress free from sharp object. Walay mga hait, lalo na sa legs. See to it the legs is good condition as well. Kung wala naka-fix ang headboard, pwede mong i-pull down. Biraha, paatras, para dili ka mahirapan mag-metering. Okay, so ang bed making is individual. So we're going to identify the parts of the bed. Head part. Side part. Side part, mga kilid. Foot part, di ilan. So, kaning upad na kanto, this we call corner. Ang gawin sa corner is emitter. That's why called is emitter corner. Then, base of the bed. Kaning gipatungan sa mattress, mauni base of the bed. Bed, base. Then, legs of the bed. So, we have 7 parts of the bed. See to it, the legs is good condition as well. Kung wala naka-fix ang headboard, pwede mong i-pull down. Biraha, paatras, para dili ka mahirapan mag-metering. Okay, so ang bed making is individual. So, we're going to identify the parts of the bed. Head part. Side part. Side part, mga kilid. Foot part, di ilan. So, kaning upad na kanto, this we call corner. Ang gawin sa corner is emitter. That's why called is emitter corner. Then, base of the bed. Kaning gipatungan sa mattress, mauni base of the bed. Bed, base. Then, legs of the bed. So, we have 7 parts of the bed. Okay. So, clearing na. Ang atuang mattress, walay bed skirt. So, we presume ang atuang bed pad considered ang side as bed skirt. Doon na siya design, ma-enclose ato ang bed. Okay? Yung ibang bed pad is top on the mattress lang. Okay? We're going to lay down all the linens individually. So, first lay down the bed pad. Okay, check the size. Okay, there is a brand. The brand we should put on the foot side. Para dili mailhan na yoki-yoki. Okay? So, assuming nga kamo lang isa ha, wala jud mo'y ka kauban. So, use back of your palm to flatten the linens. Okay. Back ha, back. Nga naman sa back man. To avoid from dirt. Okay. Kung crumpled, ang sabi is dirty. Next, flat sheets right side up. Double check kung right ba yun. So, we're going to use, kung ato ang flat sheets naka-well ironed, kailangan, pwede ito mo gamit o butterfly through. Pwede po ito mo gamit o fisherman through. So, ang fisherman, from the side. Ang butterfly, from your face. Okay. So, check. So, right side up. Then, see to it, makover ang head part. Then, check the center, side by side. Kailangan pantay ha. Okay, remember, ang ato ang bed, only 4 corners. Dapat, kaupat lang po ka mo, mutuyok. Okay, steady. Next, flat sheets wrong side up. Baliktad na ha. Double check. Kailangan nakahayang ang baliktad. Kaluoy ani oy. Masi asa tang ngita gisig gyud. Sige na lang. Huwag gyud maayo. Okay, no choice ta. Mailisa na siguro ni Puhon. Oh, gisig gyud po speakers. Okay. So, wrong side up. Pantay lang po siya sa head part. Ang mattress. So, di siya dapat malampas. Di dapat siya masobra. Okay. Kailangan naka-flat. Iron muna. Next. Woolen blanket. When we say woolen, asa lang dapat. Kung say function ng woolen, to protect body thermostat of the guest. So, when you say body, from shoulder going down. Check the brand again. Okay. Hindi siya brandless. Hindi siya brand. So, from the shoulder, going down. Abaga lang. In short, 1 ruler or pillow size from the head part. Okay, next. Top sheets. Top sheets or flat sheets right side up. Kailangan naka-right. Buti na lang may gisi. So, dili pwede i-crumple ta. Uy. Pilipid siya. Okay, kailangan taas kag kamot. Kung ubo kag kamot, mag-isod ka. So, kung magbira mo sa linen sa lagyan ng hangin, para di ma-deform ng uban, bahala ko buntis na.
Lisod kay siya ma'am kung king size nga bed ma'am.
Sayon, bro.
Tako man kayo niya, gamay kag kamot.
Sayon, ang king. Kaysa single. Okay. Daan na nato glidan ang mga linens, except sa comforter. So, we're going to make a belt bed. Belt bed to lock all the linens. So, we're going to fold twice to make it presentable. So, ang ato ang marker or roller will be the woolen blanket. Fold twice from the wrong head to lock all the lines. So, we're going to fold twice to make it presentable. So, ang ato ang marker or roller will be the woolen blanket. Fold twice from the wrong side up and the top sheets. The sandwich will be the woolen blanket. 1. Ayun. Another one. Okay. So walang one ha. Wa jud mo makita nga marking. Everything is clear. Why gusot? Okay, kung gusot, that means dirty. Okay. Now, naka-form na kag-belt. We're going to fold first the head part. Okay, atong i-fold ang head part. May turn natin ng 45 angle each corner. So, use only the thumb or finger. Thumb or finger to make it markering. Okay, finger lang ang gamiton ha. So, stopper, birahon na mo ang pikas para dili mabirat yung tuyok. Okay, stopper again, pikas sa buka mo bira para pantay. Both. Okay. So, flat ha. Why gusot? Ahat na mag-start. First corner here. Okay. We're going to meter it into 45. So, kung sa gabal ang belt, i-up. So, dirita ha. Okay. Kuhaon sa itong gitupi sa ilalom. Then, kung mag-90 ta, depende sa assessor na na. 90 angle, straight line lang. The video. One line only that we call 90 angle. Straight line. Kung 45 each corner, triangle. Hold it on side from the corner. Then, find the angle of the side of the mattress. Up, then twist. Finger lang ha, finger. Okay. Paghulog, automatic siya naka 45 angle. So, dapat mag-knee on the floor jud mo para makapanukad mo ha. Or use body mechanics or proper bending. Okay. Stopper sa head part. Itak in ang belt smoothly. Use your finger only. Kailangan mag-work from heart. Para gwapa ang agi. Kung mag-work wala sa puso, pangit ang agi. Okay? So, walay gusot. Second corner. Okay. Dali mo. Tuyog. Tikas. So, kaninga belt, pwede na ito hilain later. Unahin sa itong sulod. Okay, pirahon gyapon para mo flatten ang head part. Then, the same triangle. Up. Find the side of the mattress. Patong imuhang kamot para udat-og ang imuhang kamot sa mattress. So, para lang nag-slice og apple down. Automatic 45. Birahon mo na to. Kasi nakalock in na ka. Okay. So, gawin mo din stopper. The same. Use your finger. Pag abot side part is ang pitik lang. Okay, that's it. Dito, isa-isahin na natin pag-plancha. To flatten each, we're going to start from the bed pad. Kasi imagine, ikaw lang isa ha. Okay. Here he is. Plancha each. Okay. Next one. The cover. Okay. The wrong side up. Next, the woolen. Next, the top sheets. Okay. So, pull it down. Kailangan flatten ang top. Okay? Kailangan mahila pababa, hatakin pababa. Kung kaya kang mag-swim, swim. Then, pull it down. Use your finger as well. Thumbnail. Then, okay. See to it, kadili. Crumpled ang foot. Okay. Third corner here. Okay. So, yung mga linya na naka-flatten sa ilalong, isa-isahin natin. Okay. Start ka sa top sheets. The wrong side up. Then, the other one. Concentrate from the top sheet. Okay, see to it. Flat. Walay crumpled. Smooth. So, hold it in a triangle. Up. Find the side of the mattress. Sudlaya lang. Then, the wrong side up. Then, the other one. Concentrate from the top sheet. Okay, see to it. Flat. Walay crumpled. Smooth. So, hold it in a triangle. Up. Find the side of the mattress. Sudlaya lang. Then, hold. Iduot ang mattress. Datogi kung pwede. Okay? Down. Automatic naka 45. Stopper. Stopper diri para ligtak in, insert sa center. Walang problema. Mura kag nag-slice og apple. Wapa kayo. Wadyo may marking makitaan sa side. Okay? Walay gusot o kulubot. Okay. So, walang marking ha. Flat ang side. Next one, last. The same procedure. Follow again. Top sheets. Okay. Then, triangle. Up. Tigit pwede isunod ang braso ha. Okay, down. Stopper again. The same. Okay? Para kang nag-slice ng apple. Look, ito mga linyas. Nalusted lang. Okay. Pag-abot sa tumoy, pitik. Okay? So, ngayon, klaro na itong side corner each. Hands up. Wala atay balikan. Upat lang takatuyok. Sige. Picturein yung corner.
Ay, diba?
Kailangan equal ha, equal. Okay. Equal ang pag-form ng 45. Okay. Carry. So, wala gigusot ha. Pati ang top way gusot, ang belt way gusot. Okay, next will be the bed pad. Okay, rather, bed cover. Okay, wala siya brand. Brandless. Wait. Okay. Against the stripe. Okay. Lampas gamay. Check the sidings. Dapat equal. Okay. Then, fold pillow size. 1 fold. Tama sa belt. Okay, that's it. Then, cover it the pillow. Dili pwedeng iipit sa ilok. Dili pwedeng iipit sa suwang. So, roll the pillowcase in half. Then, see to it, check the brand. Fold in half. Ipasok sa pillowcase. Hold at the center. Check ang tutoy. Kailangan nasa kanto ang tutoy. Then, fold it down. Okay. Ang tutoy ha. Dapat straight ang tutoy. Then, ang open ng case, away from door. Ano man, to avoid from dust. So, anak, close ang, okay. Masuka siya. Center, center, center. Then, cover the pillow. Okay. So, ito ang finished product. Okay, may design na. Dili pwede nga mag-bed making mo nga diretso kubira ng pillow like this. Okay. Kung inali ang forma, wala kayo bahan sa morgue. Kailangan na ay siya design. Okay. Datugan ng 1 to 2 inches sa unlan ang comforter. Then, over. Para may design. Okay. Dili siya look like a morgue. Okay. Good. Done. So, muna ang finished product for traditional. Okay? Now, instructional command. Remember ha, if the bed or the linen is crumpled, that means dirty na, pugaw na. Okay? Now, instructional command. Make the bed vacant, dirty. So, gusutin mo lang ang bed. Kung vacant, dirty ha, gusutin mo lang. Okay. Pag mingon ng assessor, turn down the belt. Turn down service, that will be presented during the guest bedtime. So, ano ba ang mga step for turn down service? Okay. Atong i-turn down ang bed. So, we're going to remove the bed cover. Fold it. Find at the center. Okay, maski wala center, basta ma-fold mo it properly. Okay, next is turn down the belt. When you say turn down, imuhang i-design for bedtime. So, basis for turn down the belt, this will be the belt with the bedside table, facing on the bedside table, wherein lampshade, telephone, Bible, and etc. So, i-open na to ang bedside. In fronting of bedside table, ang belt. In a small triangle. Okay. Only diri lang aside. 1. Only ang belt lang jud ha. Then, i-tuck in it again. In my turn. Okay. So, ito ang turn down service. Okay. Next, okay na ang bed for turn down. Imo pong ipang down ang curtains. I-on ang aircon. I-off ang light. I-on ang dim light. Ready all the minibar. Replenish everything inside the minibar. And the vanity kit and the amenities. Now, maglagay tayo vanity kit. Sa foot side, vanity kit wherein toothpaste, shampoo, and conditioner, etc. Bath towel sa gitna, bathtub the other side. Form in triangle. Okay? Vanity kit, bath towel, bathtub. Okay. Klaro? Okay, very good. Next. Muna nga to assessment ending. Klaro? After, unsay pinaka-last gilay down sa bed, siyang pinakaunang i-remove. Okay. So, we're going to remove the case or remove the pillow inside the case. Okay. The same process, fold it very well. Kung unsa ang pag-process, the same. Then, untuck all the linens. Fold it individually. So, pag-untuck, lagyan nila ng hangin. Another one sa foot. Okay. So, fold. Find at the center. Pwede ka mag-fold. Use your one hand. Okay. Then, kuhanin mo yung gitna. Ilapag sa bed. Okay. So, anong pag-fold ha? Next one. The same? Pwede. Get? Pwede hapon. Another one. Okay. Get ang gitna. Okay, anak kagwapa ang folding ha. Next. Okay, the end. So, ang pag-fold ng fitted, corner to corner. Dalaon siya sa foot. Ipasok. Okay. Isunod sa ulo. Inapag. Okay, that's it. Finish! Thank you.